Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Joint Secretary Bathamai jong Congress baru badai pet juga Megalia Matthew habaya keren berkilat patai kubor mentaka sengi ke arpo trek nailor arajar arpusau uloong bagajing rai ban penlong yaka way ke election hapo ke ribaro ke way kalong ke jing rai kena namar wat la daga day ka kam ke baya day bat kijing shna yaki an ki kanun ru henry day bandon ke jing menjur da baro arliang ki sengsan perthai hapo ke ying dor bar thau an jong ke ri badai bandon ru ke jing menjur da palat sanpo na ka sispa ki jela ha ke ri Matthew uloong ha ke election ha ke ri ki breu ki kershan ki national party bat ki regional party lani ki seng reolom kat bah ki election apo ke jela ki pat ba ki kershan ki seng reolom bat ki national party Matthew uloong lada ka sarkar ka sngokya hado kata-kata balai ka penlong ki election lok sabha ka election ha ki assembly bat kat kum ke kaipot jong ka IDFC jong snam arajar khatsan nyo pu nyo na ka shispa ki breo hapo ka ri kin kershan ya ka jo ka seng lada penlong ha ka jo ya ka election hapeng ka state bat ka assembly bat lada penlong la ka jong pat hendre pu way na ka shispa ki breo kin kershan ya ki way ki breo ne ki seng Matthew ula benrap dekat baong bagajing temu jang ke BJP ban le ya gini ke rukom halor ke way ke election hapo ke ri kalong ban wanra ya gajing sensar president bat kani kamla ban long namar la ke BJP ka batlut ya ki bor Pynïaid kan long ka seng ka ban Pynjot lut ya baro ke jing don jing em hapo ke ri.
The one nation, one election is a non-beginner or a non-starter for the simple reason. If at all it has to be a law, it has to be approved by both houses of the parliament. It has to be approved by more than 50% of the states. Now, the national election, people vote for national parties and regional parties. The state election, it's regional parties and the national parties. And when it comes to the district administration, municipality, corporations, people vote for the individual and the parties. What is the logic of mixing it then? And if the government was so serious about it, then why did they do the Lok Sabha polls in this many number of phases? Why are they doing the assembly polls in this many number of phases? So it is, and the IDFC survey report of 2015 says that 77% of the population will vote for the same party if the state and the assembly elections are held together. And if it is held separately, then 61% will vote in different manner. So it is basically BJP's design to have a presidential kind of a rule. So it is not going to happen. And one more thing. If this one nation, one election and all is BJP's administrative skill, they are an administrative disaster for this country. Look at the way the GST has been administered. Look at the way the demonetization has worked. Look at the way the international fuel prices are there and you're still not being given the benefit. And look at the way the Manipur is burning. Our Prime Minister doesn't have the time to visit there, doesn't have the guts, doesn't have the courage to visit Manipur. And for the last 16 months plus, people are dying. Two tribes are fighting against each other. And that Prime Minister led BJP is saying that we are going to hold the election of one nation, one election. It's a non-beginner by itself. It's just another jumla from there.